सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक विद एनवीडीए चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाइए, लेटेस्ट वीडियोस पाइए। Hello guys and welcome to my channel Tech with nvda. So today we are talking about WhatsApp desktop application. So I will show you how to download WhatsApp desktop application, how to use that application as well. So my name is Dwaj, you are watching Tech with nvda. Make the world accessible.
Alt R. Windows M. Press Alt.
Hello guys, so welcome to my channel Tech with nvda, and so today we are talking that how to use the WhatsApp desktop application, as I told you in the intro. Okay, so now let's just talk that what is WhatsApp desktop application. As you all might be using it on your mobile phone, so today I will show you that how you will use it as an accessible application on your laptop's internal storage. So we will install an application which is WhatsApp desktop. So guys, I am not showing you that how to download, but because this laptop is a Windows 11 and store has some different things, and due to this being an preview build has some faults with the Microsoft Store. So I will show you it in the Unigram video, which will come very soon. So now, after installing it, we need to go to the start menu.
Search box edit.
Search for it. Before that, I will tell you a short method. Open your Microsoft Store. Go to search box by pressing Shift tab twice or thrice. Press space over there. Then just type WhatsApp. Press enter. Press tab to get into the list. You will get WhatsApp desktop application, WhatsApp Inc. Press enter over there. And then you need to press tab to get button. Get button is the button which is as similar as the download button. In our Play Store is download button. Here it is get button. Press enter. It will start downloading and it will get installed automatically. Then go to your start menu, search for WhatsApp. Pressing Windows S.
Windows S. Search box edit. Type in W. WhatsApp desktop. Enter.
So pressing enter over WhatsApp desktop, and it will open it for me. So let us wait. It will tell me to scan the QR code. Okay. It's just similar as we do it on your mobile. So let us take the focus. So going
Zoom. WhatsApp. Enter. WhatsApp. Need help to get stuck. Keep me signed in. Checkbox checked. To clear check.
Sign in.
Unlabeled 2 button to activate. Need help to keep me signed in. Check.
This unlabeled is the QR code. So I will open my WhatsApp on my mobile. So let me turn on the talkback. I'll open WhatsApp.
Search.
More options button. And then you need to find link device button. Press enter. Press enter. Press double tap it. Sorry. So now going by swipe method. And you will get a link the device button. Press double tap. And it will ask for my fingerprint. I will. And it is telling to scan. So you need to keep it just 2 feet away from your screen. It will automatically scan.
WhatsApp web.
Okay.
WhatsApp web.
So it is just directly on the search button. You can search over here, but I am not searching. Pressing tab.
Search or start new chat. Edit. Type in text. Chat list table. Column 1. Row 11. Chat list. Grid.
So I am just messaging my one friend. Pressing enter.
Enter. Close panel. Open images panel. Open GIF panel. Open sticker panel. Attach. Type a message. Voice message. Content info region. Type a message. Edit. Type in.
As soon as you will press type a message button, it will open directly the chat box for you. Here you need to type, so I am typing here hi. Okay,
Hi, enter.
I will press enter. So my message is sent. Okay, so now let me show you that how to record a voice message. I will press tab.
Voice message button to
You will get a voice message button just after the chat edit a message edit box. Press enter or space. I'm pressing space.
type message, edit, type in text, cancel button.
So as you can see guys, the message is recording. So now whatever I will speak, it will record. Then whenever you want to send the message, press tab.
Send button.
Send button, press space or enter. I am pressing enter. So as soon as I will press enter.
Type a message.
Now my focus again will be in the type message button. I will press tab twice.
Load earlier messages. Message
list. You need to you can slide up down.
unlabeled 0 button. Voice message. Left right slider. 0 o'clock 12:45 delivered button.
So it will show you
voice message. Unlabeled 0 button.
And as soon as you will press space or unlabeled 0 button.
Space unlabeled.
So as you can see guys, the message is recording. So now whatever I will speak, it will record.
Space.
So it is recording the message. And if you want to see whether your message is recording or not, as soon as you press space, it will speak cancel button. That means your message is recording. Then press tab, you will find send button, then press enter. Okay, so I'm going up arrow.
12:44 deliver 12:44 hi.
So I messaged him hi, so it is showing hi as well. So now you can press tab.
Hi 12 banner region video call.
You can directly video call.
Voice call button to act.
Voice call as well. So in this video, this much only. So follow me on Instagram @_with_nvda, or you can join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description box. You can email me your doubts at techwithnvda@gmail.com, or you can visit my website www.techwithnvda.wordpress.com. Its link is also in the description box. Go to the contact section. Then you type your name, your email ID, your phone number and your doubt. I will surely answer it. You can comment your doubts as well. So thank you so much guys. Like, share and subscribe.